Okay, now that I have my image printed out, now it's time to put it on a shirt. Make sure it's centered. They have measuring tools online at Amazon where you can measure. So I'm gonna lay that down. You can use parchment paper. I just bought a silicone sheet. And I'm gonna lay this in between just to protect my plates here. Lay that down. I have my heat gloves because it's gonna be hot when I take it out. I'm gonna press it down and it's gonna tell me when it's done. Okay, there's the beep. Lift it up. Now this plate right here is very, very hot. That's why I'm wearing these heat resistant gloves. So is this. I'm gonna let this sit and cool just for a little bit. Set that off to the side here for a second. And voila, my shirt's done.